This tranquil home in Kerala, India, seamlessly blends modern architecture with tropical design, prioritizing traditional planning concepts like a central courtyard. The residence, designed for family gatherings, features broad windows and an open-to-sky courtyard, ensuring ample natural light and ventilation. Surrounded by lush greenery, the home merges its tropical landscape with interiors, creating a serene and immersive living experience. The house comprises 4 blocks centered around a courtyard. An existing west side building was transformed into a dermatology clinic, utilizing adaptive reuse principles. Thoughtful site planning places the clinic at the west entrance, ensuring privacy for the family. The 2-story section shades the front yard and living spaces, enhancing the evening ambience. Inside, open spaces connect formal living, dining, and family areas around the courtyard, while strategically placed bedrooms and a family-friendly kitchen layout promote both privacy and interaction. Innovative construction methods enhance functionality and aesthetics. Precast G panels provide cost-effective, heat-insulating walls, while wooden slabs and ceiling elements maintain traditional charm and cool interiors. Subtle pastel finishes and natural wood details harmonize with the serene surroundings, ensuring modern amenities coexist beautifully with traditional zoning and design principles.